Hello and good morning. Here we are again with another live recording of my trading. Today I entered the Euro USD about an hour ago, and again I went as always through the same analysis I always do. I started with my weekly chart and I noticed that the price is moving below the 20 SMA, indicating that there is a bit of a downswing possible today. That doesn't mean, however, that we are embarking on a downtrend. For that to happen, we would really have to pass this support level right here. So, but we have the potential for this to go down a little further. So this may present a trading opportunity. Sure enough, when I move on to my daily chart, I can tell the current trend as it was yesterday is still going very, very strong. And while we just passed through this little support right here. So we have some leadway up to this level right here. That's it. My drawing errors, by the way, I should use the system the default system to draw the arrows, but you get what I'm trying to explain to you. So moving on to the 4-hour chart now, and starting with the CCI, this has been going up, down, up, down, up, down, but it is presently, all the signals right here are pointing in the same direction, which is a must for me to enter a trade. So this is definitely a solid signal. So I entered my trade about an hour ago right here where the dashed line is. That's where I entered, and markets have been going down since. And hopefully they will continue to reach my level here. My target is set as at $418, and my stop loss is set at $235. So I have a 1-to-2 ratio. I usually don't trade with ratios. I always look at what the chart is telling me, what technical analysis is telling me, what price is telling me. And for me, it's very clear that we broke through the resistance level is right here. The very first resistance level as to compared to my entry point right here. So, and then I go down to where the first support level is starting from my entry point, and my first support level is right here, and that's why I placed my take profit at that level. So we'll see. Right now I am definitely in profit, and it continues to go in my favor, and hopefully it stays that way. By the way, I also mentioned in a prior video that when I'm on the road, I would like to use, or not at my desk, I would like to use my cell phone to track and my performances if I'm in an open position, because I don't leave any open position unattended, not ever. And I figured out, as I mentioned, I figured out how to get my phone to display on my computer, so I can show you how this works. And it's actually very simple. I didn't have to download a special app or anything. There is a feature in my phone called Smart View, and once I have it set up, which I did yesterday, and it'll show me my main computer or my desktop, and I simply click on that. It will then look to connect, and we'll see if this works while I'm recording, and it looks like it's not. So I can't do this yet while I'm in recording mode, because it's taken too long. By now it would have already activated. So, all right, I have to still keep looking and searching and see, because I would like to share my phone setup with you as well. We'll figure it out, and I'll make a video about that when I do. In the meantime, the reason I set a stop loss and a take profit target is because I have some things to do today that make it impossible for me to have my phone in my hands and check it every so often. So to make sure that I don't get a surprise when I come home and position retraced, price retraced, and went completely the opposite direction, instead of continuing downwards, went something like this because of a news or a sudden unexpected event of some sort. At least if that were to be the case, I'll get kicked out at 200 and what is it, $225, $235, and I'm okay with that. So that's why I have a stop loss, and I also have a take profit. Again, because I never leave any trade unattended. At this point in time, my position is clearly continuing in my favor right here. So for now, this ends that. I'll come back and I'll let you know how this trade ended up. All right, I'll take care and God bless. Okay, I am back with a little quick update. The sell position I entered continues to move in my favor right here. It is going slowly. There are no erratic moves, which I like because slow but steady wins the race, as they say, and this is definitely the case with trading. I am up now to 143, and it'll gradually continue to go further. I will let you know how this trade ended up, but one way or another I am in a positive position. Now, one thing I will do as time progresses, in my previous video I mentioned that I have a $200 profit threshold, meaning that once I reach $200 I will adjust my stop loss, so that at the very least I will not lose any money after I've taken the $200 profit. So once I get there, that's what I'll be doing next. But for certain, I will let you know how this trade ended up overall. Take care and God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.